For this is the trailer of the day the dark rise. Run, run, run as fast as you can. Don't stop, don't ever stop. Just keep going and never, ever look back. You may run, but you can't hide. You can run as fast as a gingerbread man can go, but yet they will find you. They will. There is no way out of this one. For we have gone through so much, and so little time. But this one, I'm afraid, we have lost the battle. Or have we? For is there a savior among us? People say there always will. But people have lost hope. All that their bodies and brain know about is fear. There is nothing left but that. You can just see people walking down the street. You say hi, they run. All they know is fear, and nothing but fear. But I do believe one thing. There is a Savior among us. He might be looking in the shadows. Or he might be behind you. For you never know what might happen. You never know. Darkness is coming. Prepare for the war. Prepare for the war.